Hey guys, how's it going? Libertasaudits here. I'm at the Rome post office in Georgia, in the state of Georgia. My last post office visit did not go good for them. It went great for me. But we're gonna go in, see if they honor the First Amendment, my right to film, check out the place. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate all the ones so far. I hope you like it. It's kind of short and sweet, but kind of entertaining. And let's go. Okay, you are required to properly wear a current postal ID badge while in this facility. So let's see if they follow their own rules. It's funny though, customers will yell at you for filming them. The irony. How you doing, sir?
Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Can I help you with anything?
Yeah, I'd like to buy a stamp.
Alright, just one stamp?
Just one stamp. And I got a question for you.
Yes, sir.
Who do we talk to about getting that old ratty American flag out front and get a nice crisp unfaded one?
I can take care of that. I didn't know it was ready. Usually when they tell us it's when they tell us it's ready, I get somebody to swap it out. I get maintenance to do it.
That would be awesome.
They're on the street right now, but I'll tell them.
Thank you, Andrea.
40 cents your change. You need that receipt?
Yes, please.
Alrighty.
Gotta put it in for my taxes, you know.
Every bit helps.
You got that right.
Every at the bottom of the street.
All right, thank you.
Another day, okay?
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, I got one other question for you. What is the ID bag? What's the postal ID badge that's on that door? What do they mean by that? Is it just a name tag or is it the official?
You call it postal ID badge, like what I'm...
Busted! Ah, look at you. I didn't mean to call you out. I'm just kind of making sure. Like he does. See, he's doing it right.
Yes, sir.
All right. You've been wonderful. All right. You have a great day. Okay, poster 7 right out front here. Man, guys, what do I say? This is going to be a short video. They did everything right. We'd be out of a job if every post office acted and treated us this way. And they're friends. Well, short and sweet, and the way it should have been done. And I must say, I go into the post office just as a consumer every once in a while, and Andrea is one of the nicest, most pleasant one that I've ever come across. They just always seem to be so down and out of sorts, not happy, you know, resting bitch face. And the people out at the Rome post office did it right. So like and subscribe. Sorry this is short, but I'm still posting this because we got to post the good with the bad. And with that being said, Libertasaudits out.
if it ain't flying. The wind ain't blowing.
No. And then, hey, you know, the weather's been really light lately.
Woo, I get dizzy looking up like this. Okay, well, let me go see if we got one here. If not, I'll order one. But we always
you're
have,
amazing.
We always have one on standby. But
I'm gonna put this on video if you want to watch it. YouTube.
I don't even do YouTube. I'm too old for YouTube.
No, what are you talking about? I'm 60 next month. How can you be older than me?
Let me go check my guy and see if he got it. We'll get it changed right away.
Okay.
I think our maintenance guy leaving right now. I have to get him.
If you want to look, it's called Libertasaudits. Libertasaudits. Audits. If you put in Rome Post Office, it'll probably pop up. Just put First Amendment audit and put Rome Post Office. You guys will get a great review.
All right. Okay, thank you.
You're my star in it.
We're getting changed ASAP.
Awesome.
My son is a Marine. My husband was in the Army. I don't like
retired or not retired, but ex-Air Force.
Okay,
Air Force
thank you for your
veteran.
service.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye. And look at that. The star of the show. We need all our postal employees to be just like her. So guys, Andrea came out again. I didn't have my camera ready. I'm just kind of waiting for my wife to come and pick me up because I want to be within compliance of US laws and the carrying of firearms. And with that being said, she came out again with a box with a flag in it. I mean, she's hardcore wanting to get this taken care of. And then had another gentleman come out, a maintenance guy, and he says they're going to get it taken care of. And she's going to make it happen. So again, as I said in my thumbnail, she is kryptonite to First Amendment auditors. If they were all like this, we'd be out of a business, at least auditing the post office.